It was a challenge, to come up on something that doesn't work anymore, and figure out why it doesn't work, and then make it work again.
I like figuring out what the problem was, why it wasn't running, and getting it running, and then you can look at it and say, okay, it's running like it's supposed to. That's the sense of accomplishment I get.
What I love is looking at them diagnose the problem, and when I begin to understand it, that's when I get the most excitement.
There definitely is a labor shortage. A lot of people coming out of high school now don't want to come into this field. Plumbing and air conditioning, trade type scenarios that you could find a job in and probably do fairly well financially.
Average age of a technician is 54 years old. Nobody's looking at trades anymore, and it's become a serious issue. You don't have guys really in the middle anymore. You got guys, that are young coming into this field, and then you got guys that are seasoned, but they're retiring soon. So there's a big gap in between.
Eventually it cracked the header, and it would leak refrigerant. So now they're making...
Originally I had no interest in construction or anything before I went to Build Smart, and then that opened up the door, maybe I could look into something like this. So I worked full-time over the first summer, saw that it was something I was kind of interested in, and eventually got hired on full-time.
Build Smart Institute, we are working on workforce solutions, workforce resources, and creating a workforce pipeline. Gen Z is not the problem. They are our succession, they are our future. They want to do this, they've just never been availed to it. And once we avail them to the possibilities, to the skill sets, a lot of times they'll light up and they're off and running, and they finally have found their place. They've just never had the opportunity to do it.
When Levi came in, he got to see what it was like, and he liked it. And that's the big problem, is that people don't give it a chance to see what it's like to do this kind of work and show them that this is a cool job. It's rewarding.
I never thought that I wanted to do construction. I never thought I wanted to do really anything mechanical. The biggest satisfaction comes when I can understand it. When I can go in and the service tech will explain something to me, I'll be sitting there kind of scratching my head, don't understand it, and they'll explain it one more time, and I get it. I understand, and that is what brings the most enjoyment.
The construction industry tradespeople are at a premium. They are paying significant dollars for a wide variety of trade crafts right now.
If you don't start teaching the younger people these trades, you're going to run out of people. There's just not going to be people to do the job. And when that happens, there's going to be a lot of unhappy people in this world, because you're not going to have air conditioning, you're not going to have plumbing. When something breaks, you're not going to be able to call on somebody to come and fix it, because there's not going to be anybody out here that's doing it.
Just come out and get it, man. Construction's awesome.